It is so embarrassing. It is so embarrassing. ये बहुत शर्मनाक है. He is living abroad. He is living abroad. वो बैरून मुल्क मुकीम है. Who live here? Who live here? यहाँ कौन रहते हैं? No one lives here. No one lives here. यहाँ कोई नहीं रहता है. Can you help me? Can you help me? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? I don't live here. I don't live here. मैं यहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ. So what should we do? So what shall we do? तो हम क्या करें? I am trying. I am trying. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. He is working hard. He is working hard. वह मेहनत कर रहा है. He is not at home. He is not at home. वह घर पर नहीं है. I am not lying to you. I am not lying to you. मैं तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ. I should go home. I should go home. मुझे घर जाना चाहिए. It is raining outside. It is raining outside. बाहर बारिश हो रही है. It is raining cats and dogs. It is raining cats and dogs. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है. Keep in touch. Keep in touch. रब्ते में रहना. I don't understand. I don't understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है. I didn't understand. I didn't understand. मैं नहीं समझा. Who is Ahmad to you? Who is Ahmad to you? अहमद तुम्हारा क्या लगता है? Don't bother me. Don't bother me. मुझे तंग मत करो. Don't drag your feet. Don't drag your feet. अपने पाँव मत घसीटो. Don't drink cold water. Don't drink cold water. ठंडा पानी मत पियो. Don't eat ice cream. Don't eat ice cream. आइसक्रीम मत खाओ. This road leads to Lahore. This road leads to Lahore. ये सड़क लाहौर जाती है. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा. Be helpful to others. Be helpful to others. दूसरों के लिए मददगार बने. I am completely agree. I am completely agree. मैं बिल्कुल मुत्तफिक हूँ. Don't be angry. Don't be angry. गुस्सा मत करो. Don't be afraid. Don't be afraid. डरो मत. We moved here last year. We moved here last year. हम पिछले साल यहाँ आए थे. They are very poor people. They are very poor people. वो बहुत गरीब लोग हैं. Don't go anywhere. Don't go anywhere. कहीं पर मत जाओ. Don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. हसद मत करो. Don't make a mistake. Don't make a mistake. गलती मत करो. Don't make an excuse. Don't make an excuse. बहाना मत करो. Don't be cruel. Don't be cruel. जालिम मत बनो. I am extremely tired. I am extremely tired. मैं बहुत थक गया हूँ। They admire you a lot. They admire you a lot. वो आपकी बहुत तारीफ करते हैं। Don't be stubborn. Don't be stubborn. जिद मत करो। Don't stammer. Don't stammer. रुक रुक कर मत बोलो। Look behind you. Look behind you. अपने पीछे देखो। Don't go inside. Don't go inside. अंदर मत जाओ। Did you see? Did you see? क्या तुमने देखा? The exam was very difficult. The exam was very difficult. इम्तिहान बहुत मुश्किल था। Why are you so fragile? Why are you so fragile? तुम इतना नाजुक क्यों हो? I didn't understand. I didn't understand. I don't understand. मुझे समझ नहीं आ रहा है। Keep in touch. रब्ते में रहना। It is raining cats and dogs. मूसलाधार बारिश हो रही है। It is raining outside. बारिश हो रही है। I should go home. मुझे घर जाना चाहिए। ये कुछ जुमले हम दोहराते हैं। I am not lying to you. मैं तुमसे झूठ नहीं बोल रहा हूँ। He is not at home. वो घर पर नहीं है। He is working hard. वो मेहनत कर रहा है। I am trying. I am trying. मैं कोशिश कर रहा हूँ। So what shall we do? So what shall we do? तो हम क्या करें? I don't live here. I don't live here. मैं यहाँ नहीं रहता हूँ। Can you hear me? Can you hear me? क्या तुम मुझे सुन सकते हो? Can you help me? Can you help me? क्या आप मेरी मदद कर सकते हैं? No one lives here. No one lives here. यहाँ कोई नहीं रहता है। Who live here? Who live here? यहाँ कौन रहते हैं? He is living abroad. He is living abroad. वो बैरून मुल्क मुकीम है। It is so embarrassing. It is so embarrassing. ये बहुत शर्मनाक है। Please like video. Thanks for watching.